In this video, you will see how to merge cells in Excel. It's very easy. You can create a header after merging the cells like this. To merge the cells, first you need to select the number of cells using your mouse or a keyboard. After highlighting the cells, under the Home tab, here you will see the option of Merge and Center. You just need to click on this option and the cells will merge and the written text will be center aligned. In case you want to unmerge the cells in Excel, you need to click on this down arrow and here you will see the option of unmerge cells at the bottom. Just click on the cells and the cells will unmerged. And to merge, just click on this button again. That's how easy it is to merge cells in Excel sheet. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Excel quickly. See you again in the next one.